Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 6 in this Masters in this tournament, so it means long game. So it means exchange clock by 1 hour and 30 minutes. Oh, so it means exchange clock. So it means last round, so it means 1 hour and 40 minutes from this clock from this long game. So it means exchange by time from this one, 1 hour 30 minutes here from this one. So in this round number 6, and also have a between from this Grandmaster in Serbia is Alexei Sarana versus by Grandmaster in Slovenia is Vladimir Fedosev from this one. So it means first red in this Serbia and first white is Slovenia from this one. So in this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 6 in Masters in Tata Steel. So white plays Alexis is d4, d5 Vladimir, c4, and also e6 is called Queen's Gambit decline, and also knight c3 it's called Queen's Gambit decline, Queen's Knight variation, and also bishop e7. So it means bishop e7 is called Charosik variation from this one. Charosik variation. So if the capture this one, if you pawn takes c4 here from this one, and also e3, and also so it means if you bishop b4 from this threatening pin check of this pin there. So it means pin from check, and also bishop takes pawn, or maybe bishop takes knight, or maybe pawn takes bishop. So it means developed by white and black in variation here. So back there is bishop e7. So it means bishop e7 by Vladimir, still moved by knight f6, or maybe coming of this castle king side here from this one. And also pawn takes d5, a takes d5, and also bishop f4. So it means bishop f4 by Alexei. So it means nice move by white bishop here. And also c6, and also queen c2 with the defense of knight, and also knight f6. So it means knight f6 with the upcoming of this castle king side by Vladimir from this one, ready of this castling. And also h3. So it means no more by bishop g4 or knight g4 here, and also queen a5. So it means queen a5 are still novelty of this game by Vladimir in these black pieces here. So it means old main line here is still castle king side here from this one. So it means castling. So back novelty is queen a5, and also e3, knight e4 enterings by Vladimir. So it means attacking this knight. And also bishop d3 with a threatening knight, and also knight a6. So it means knight a6. So it means a coming of this one, or maybe knight c5, or maybe knight c5 here from this one attacking. So it means threatening bishop. And also queen a4, queen to queen, and also queen b6 avoided by Vladimir. So it means, for example, if you capture this queen to queens here from this one, queen takes a4, or maybe knight takes queen, and also bishop b4 check, or maybe knight c3 here from this one. So it means knight c3. Oh, so it means knight c3 if you here captured, or maybe here pawn takes your maybe bishop. Still lost. Lost by white. So it means wins for black. So it means wins for black here. So back there is queen b6, and also queen b3. So it means queen to queen again, and also bishop f5, and also bishop takes e4 from this one. So if you capture, so it means white to play. If you capture this queen to queens here from this one, and also pawn takes queen. So it means double fianchettos this pawn from this one. So it means double. So it means double is this one. So back there is bishop takes knight, and also pawn takes bishop, and also knight g2. So it means knight g2 already of this castle kingside by Alexei from this one. And also knight b4. So it means knight b4 are good decisions by Vladimir. And also castle kingside, good move by Alexei. So it means good decisions by castle from this one. And also castle kingside, and also queen backwards d1, and also bishop backwards g6, and also bishop backwards g3, and also f5. So it means f5, it's also have developed by Vladimir from this one. And also knight f4, so it's still threatening target by bishop here from this one, so it means target here. And also bishop f7, and also a3 threatening knight, and also knight a6, and also b4, so it means developed by Alexei. And also queen backwards d8, and also d5, so it means d5, and also queen c8, so it means queen c8 here from this avoided, still putting bad move of this black pieces, so it means question mark. So the best moves there is knight c7 here from this one with the defense, so it means threatening pawn. So back there is queen c8, and also rook c1, rook d8, so it means rook d8 with a pin, so it means pinned by queen here from this one, so it means rook d8 are moved by Vladimir. And also queen a4, and also c5, so it means c5 here. Oh, so it means c5. So if you capture this pawn, oh, c5. If you capture this one, so it means if you capture this one, so it means captured. And this is c takes d5 here from this one. So it means still we need to buy capture here. So back there is c5, so it means threatening by b4, and also rook fd1, another good move by Alexei. So it means determination by great move here. And also pawn takes b4 with the threatening of these knights here. So it means threatening here. And also knight b5, so it means knight b5 opening, so it means opening here by this one, so it means threatening by target queen from this one. And also bishop c5, another bad move by Vladimir, so it means another bad move. So the best moves there is queen d7, so it means queen d7 are best move here. So back there is bishop c5, and also pawn takes b4, knight takes b4, and also bishop h4, so it means bishop h4 with the threatening of this rook by Vladimir here from this one. And also rook d7, and also knight takes a7, and also queen e8, so it means bad move again by Vladimir, bad move. So the best moves is sacrifice, boom, rook takes a7, so it means sacrifice, so it means threatening of this one, so threatening queen, so it means threatening, oh, so it means threatening here, so it means we need to avoid that queen b3 here, so it means move by decisions. So back there is queen a8, and also good move is rook takes c5, so it means another good move by Alexei, so it means still we need to discapture this rook here. So it means so time clock is 6 minutes by Alexei from white, and also 45 seconds by black by Vladimir, so it means dying seconds for black here. And also knight a6, so it means knight a6 with the threatening of this target by rook, so it means target, so it means threatening by rook. And also rook cc1 backward. So it means rook cc1 with a below 7th rank from this one. And also decided rook takes a7 here from Vladimir here. From this one, focusing on this captured here. We need to decide to capture. And also d6. So it means d6 are moved by Alexei. And also h6, bishop e7. So still strongest move by Alexei from this one. So it means best decisions by by in this. So it means what you call this focusing. So it means focus of this move here. And also b5 with the threatening of queen, and also decides queen takes b5. So it means queen takes b5. And also rook takes bishop. So it means rook takes bishop. So it means sacrifice by Vladimir here. And also decides queen takes e8 check. So it means good move by Alexei. And also they decided to check. So it means check. So check here. So it means good decisions by Alexei from this one. And also decides rook takes e8 queen. So it means capture this rook by queen from this Vladimir. And also d7. Oh my god, d7. So it means threatening rook, or maybe promotes queen. Oh, still danger by black here from this one. So it means danger. And also knight c7. So it means defense by rook, and also promotes d8 queen. And also rook takes d8, and also rook takes d8 check, knight e8. So it means knight e8 are defensed by Vladimir. And also h4, king h7, and also knight e6. So it means developed by Alexei. So it means good decisions by focusing here from this this realize here from this one. And also king g6, knight f4 check, and also king f6, and also rook cc8. So it means rook cc8 with a code 7th rank by rook double on this one. And also g5 with a threatening of this knight. So it means develop. So it means threatening knight. And also pawn takes g5 check, pawn takes g5, and also knight d5 check. And also decides bishop takes knight d5. So it means capture this one. So it means double rook by Alexei. So it means double rook, and also rook, bishop, and knight. So it means three pieces. So it means three pieces by black by Vladimir. So it means 2 versus 3. And also captured this bishop. So it means captured. So it means two blocks by rook and knight by Vladimir, and also double rook by Alexei. So it means So, so it means so it means one rook done by Vladimir. And also king e8 with the threatening rook, and also rook cc5 defense, and also knight d6, and also g4. So it means sacrifice. So it means sacrifice resigns by Slovenia in Vladimir. So why he resigns? Because if your pawn takes if your pawn takes g4 here, and also rook takes capture this pawn, and also king f7, and also rook takes g4, or maybe king f8, and also rook rook cg5 with a battery, and also king f7, and also rook g7 check. So it means trapped by rook. So it means game over. So it means lost by black. So it means lost from Vladimir in Slovenia. So the winner of this Grandmaster in what they call the flag, the name Serbia. So it means the winner of Grandmaster is Alexei Sarana. So it means congratulations from this one in this round number 6. So I hope on this part of this game from this one. Thank you so much here from this watching here from this video. I'm Mark Loagi17, aka Mark 17. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe and bye bye.